I'm back, and I got a whole new toy. I got me a drone, the HoverAir X1. I heard so much about this drone that I wanted to get it. I wanted to get it because I wanted to take my content to a whole new level in 2025. So I figured, hey, why not get a drone? So I did some research, and this one actually came back as one of the best ones for content creation. So I'm gonna unbox it for the very first time here. I got it a few days ago in the mail, and I have not opened it until just now. So we're gonna check it out, see what's in it, see what's good and what's bad about it. I'm gonna tell you my true feelings. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this myself. I actually got the creator package, which actually came with a charging battery hub, which I'm gonna show, and also came with a different battery. Without this package, you only get just one battery, but the battery life is only about what, 15, 20 minutes maybe, and I have yet to test that out, but I do plan on testing that out and taking it outside and flying it around and getting some different content from that. But let's open this thing, man. Let's open it. The HoverAir X1. It's supposed to be pocket size. It's supposed to be something that you could just put in your pocket. You could take it on the go. You don't really need too many packaging or like a drone carrying box or something like that for it. It's pretty small and it just fits right in your pocket. So I'm opening it up right here, the box. And again, I ain't got time to be doing all this craziness with this unboxing. So this is gonna be the most genuine unboxing you ever gonna get, one take. So here we go. So this is actually in Japanese. So I don't know what the hell this is talking about. Okay, whatever. Who reads instructions anyways? So the next thing that comes out is this right here, which I'm assuming is probably like some stickers or something. Oh, it's a quick guide to show you what to use, how to use a drone. But the drone only has like maybe 5 or 6 modes and like 2 buttons to get to those modes. So what do you need this for? I don't know. Actually, I'll read it. I pulled it out right quick just so you guys can see. I'm assuming it's probably just got like some instructions on it or whatever to tell you how to fly it and maybe some safety concerns, but let's see what it says. A quick start guide. Looks like there's an app for it as well, so I can tell you what that is. Safety, tell you how to land, yada, yada, yada. Instruction book comes in the box, whatever. Now we get to the drone itself. This thing is pretty. This thing is sexy. Look how small it is. Look how small it is. This is something that could definitely go in your pocket. And bam, look at that. Look at that. Small. Compared to some of the other drones that you see online at Best Buy or DJI or whatever, their drones are pretty massive. This one here is actually pretty small, pretty lightweight. See, it's pretty durable as well. It has these nice little cages on there. They kind of protect the fans a little bit. Pretty nice, I like it. It also comes with 1 battery. Oh, this is also the camera on it as well. The rotating camera, that's nice. I love it. And it comes with 1 battery that just comes out. I'm assuming you also got to charge it. It is kind of hard to get out, but it snaps out, the little battery right here. It also has a little spot for a cable C for charging as well. So if you didn't get the charging kit, you can always just plug in the cable and charge the battery for the drone. So this is the battery that comes with it. The drone itself comes with 1 battery. So keep that in mind if you need to get more batteries for the drone. But I definitely recommend that you get at least 2 batteries because the lifeline, it only lasts about 15, 20 minutes per flight. So if you're gonna be outside all day recording, you're probably gonna need another battery. So that's that. Snap out, snap it back in, I think. Bam, just like that. Again, this size, pretty lightweight, camera on the front, 2 buttons and all the different modes. Once I take it outside, I'll be able to show you guys a little bit more about what type of modes it has. But just off the top of my head, there's a fly mode, there's a follower mode, an orbit mode, a bird's eye mode, and a follow mode from the front. So there's like 5 different modes that you can use on this this drone, which is actually pretty good. So let's talk about the cages that protect the fans. they seem pretty doable as well. It's not something that's pretty flimsy. Seems pretty hard. So I imagine that if the drone actually crash into something, you're still gonna be okay. And it looks like these little things snap in or whatever. You can't see it here, but they do kind of come out a little bit, which is actually pretty good. So overall, it looks like it's pretty doable. I have heard that it does crash into things. It can crash into things, but it doesn't break. So now, as you can see, this cage right here, pretty hard, and it protects the fans. So I'm okay with it. On the bottom side of it is I see the sensors. So once you put your hand out, it's supposed to land on your hand. And when you want to have it take off, you put your hand out and then it flies up. So I can't really do it in here. But I'm going to make another video with me outside, showcasing you guys all the different modes and how to land it, how to take off or whatever. But I'm afraid to actually turn it on because it may go a little bit more higher than what I wanted it to go. So drone, box, something else that comes in the box. It's a nice little carrying case, I think, right? Nice little carrying case, pretty decent. So we just fold this drone back up a little bit. Bam. Oh, bam. Just like that, carrying case. Pretty simple and easy. And this also still can go in your pocket as well. So that's a nice carrying case. Something else that comes in the carrying case is that charging cable that you're going to need to charge it up. Goes right here in the side. Type C. Plug it in the wall. Bam, charge it up. As far as the charging capabilities, I don't know how long it actually takes to charge, but I imagine it probably takes about 30 to 45 minutes for a full charge. So keep that in mind. But if you have additional batteries, you should be okay. So included in content creator case for $299 for this thing comes in an additional battery. Definitely recommend that you get an additional battery because the battery itself only holds about 15 minutes per flight. So that additional battery is definitely going to help you out. And if you get the content creator case, the content creator bundle, you also get this nice little charging hub. So at night when you take the battery out of the drone and then you have your additional battery, you can plug it into the hub and charge it up and have two batteries ready to go at your will. So I definitely encourage that. When I first ordered this drone, the content creator case, the bundle was $299, and the standard without the battery was also $299. So I said, hey, why not just order the bundle for the content creator and get two batteries, and you also get this nice little charger hub. So far so good. I'm going to test it out. That's going to be on my next video, where I'm actually going to go outside and show you guys the different modes or whatever. But it has been kind of cold where I live at so far. Haven't been able to really get outside too much and play with it, but hopefully over the next couple of days, I will be able to do that. Should I turn it on? Should I turn it on just one time? Just to see what it does. Now, let's test it out right quick. Power button. Okay. I think that was a power button. All right, green light. I saw something about a green light, so I'm putting it in the palm of my hands. I see the lights blinking up here. Oh, it's about to do something.
Please download HoverAir X1 app. Connect and activate the device on the app.
Okay, so that's something good to know, right? You actually cannot fly the drone unless you download the app to pair it and to get it going. So that's good to know. So when you first get it on and you turn it on, know that you can't fly it until you download the app on your phone and you pair it together, and then you'll be able to control it. So I can't even use it right now. But on my next video, I'll make sure that I go through the app process and I go through the different modes that they actually have on here. It's actually pretty dope. It's only just like one button, the power button, and then the different modes. So I don't think it's going to take off unless it's paired. So that's actually good to know. So take note of that.
Zoom out.
Zoom out mode, that's one mode.
Follow.
Follow mode is going to follow you behind.
Orbit.
Orbit mode is going to be up top, above you.
Bird
Bird's eye is actually going to take off and like rotate above you. And it also has a custom mode. So it has a custom mode. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 modes, including the custom. We're going to go outside with this thing. I'm going to go out and test it. I'm going to go out and make some epic videos and some great content with this. So stay tuned for the next video. This is an unboxing of the HoverAir X1, a drone that follows you, can chase you, take great videos. I can't wait to try it out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share it out to your friends, tell your mama, your dad, or your cousin that you saw this video, and stay tuned for the next video, and I will catch you on footage from the Hover X1 Air. Catch you guys on the next video. Subscribe, like, hit the bell icon so you know when I go live and post another video. I can't wait to test this thing out. It's so small. Goes right in your pocket too, okay? Can't go in my pocket. Catch you guys on this video.